Planning international trip in 2026, you must know the visa fees and the processing timeline of the visa for the country that you're applying for. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Visa is approved. This is Neha. In this video, I'm going to break down country by country, including tourist visa cost, processing timelines, approximate total cost with service charges, and key tips to save money and time. Starting with the most popular destination for Indians, the United States. Visa type can be B1, B2, tourist or business visa. Embassy fees is 160 USD dollar, that comes around 13,300 INR. Processing time can vary from 15 to 60 days depending upon the appointment for your biometrics and interview. If there is a high demand or administrative processing, kindly apply well in advance of your travel date. Next up is UK, United Kingdom. Type can be visitor or transit visa. Visa fees can be around 15,700 rupees in INR. Standard processing time is 3 weeks. Now here you get priority and super priority visa option in UK. If you're applying for priority visa, the charges will be extra 65,000 approx. If you're going for super priority visa, that can charge you above 1 lakh or around 1 lakh rupees. The processing time for priority visa is 5 to 7 days, and the processing time for super priority visa can be 1 or 2 days. Heading farther north to Canada visa, the visa type will be visitor. Application fee is around 6,500 INR. The biometric fees can be 5,200 INR plus service charges. Processing timeline can be from 3 to 4 months. So apply well in advance for your travel with proper set of documents. Moving to next, that is Schengen visa. If you're planning multiple countries in Europe, you will need Schengen visa. Schengen visa processing timeline is between 15 to 30 days, and the fees is around 80-90 euros. That comes around 9 to 10,000 rupees in INR. Validity of the visa can be 30 days, 90 days, depending on the number of days that you're traveling for. It totally depends on the consulate approval. Schengen visa gives you access to 27 countries in Europe. The decision completely relies on the consulate officer, but always apply at least 30 to 45 days prior of your travel date to be on the safer side. Next is Australia. Processing time is 15 to 30 days. Visa type is tourist, and the visa fees is AUD 190, that is Australian dollar 190. Indian currency comes around 11-12,000 rupees. Australia visa is straightforward, but it can take few weeks, so plan accordingly and apply. Next is Singapore visa. For a short holiday in Southeast Asia, Singapore is the favorite. Visa fees will come around 2,000 rupees plus service charges can be up to 1,000 rupees. Processing time is 3 to 5 days. The application is online, so you will have to submit all your documents online, and it has the fastest turnaround time for visa approval. Make sure that you have all your documents available with you to avoid any delays. Coming up is Japan visa. Processing time is 5 to 7 working days. The visa fees is very nominal and minimum. It can be around 800 to 1200 rupees, inclusive of the service charges of the VFS. If you apply through an agent, it can charge you up to 3,500 to 4,500 bucks. Processing time is 5 to 7 working days once submitted. Japan offer fairly quick processing, but apply 30 to 45 days prior just in case of peak season. Lastly, for Asia is South Korea. Processing time is 10 working days. Visa fees can be around 3,500 to 4,000 rupees. Processing can vary by city. Some offers quick services while other take longer. So that's your visa fees and processing roadmap from India for some of the most visited countries. Few key takeaways from my side is apply early. Second, in case of rejection, visa fees are non-refundable. Check embassy sites before applying. Visa fees and conditions can change, and the service charges can be an add-on. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment the next country that you want to visit next, and I will help you with a proper guide for applying visa.